So we have discussed squares and cubes. So in squares, what happens if any number is given to you? For example, 7. What we will do? Its square we have to find. That means 7 square. And it will be multiplied by itself 2 times. That is square. It is 49. Okay, similarly, if you have cube, 7 cube. It means 7 has to be multiplied by itself 3 times. 7, how much it is? 343. Is this clear? In squares, 2 times. If it is 2 square, we have to find.
Sir,
Square
which
of
chapter?
2. Okay, I'm just giving brief idea. It's cube and cube roots and 56. Okay, we have already completed most of this chapter. I'm again revising it for just 2 minutes. Then we will start from where we have left. Okay, it means you have to multiply it 2 times. It is 4. Similarly here, if we have to find the cube of 2, that is 2 cube. It is, we have to multiply it 3 times. It is 8. Now, if we have to find the square root, here is square root, here cube root. So similarly now, for example, 49 is given to you. And we have to find the square root. What we will do, we will factorize it and we will find the prime factors. So it is how 7 into 7. Okay. Now we form the pair and 1 from the pair we take. So root of 49 equal to 7. Here cube root 343. Cube root is written like this. This is clear? And now factorize it. 7, 49. 7, 7, 7, 1. So 7 into 7 into 7. Now see here. In squares, 2 times. In cubes, 3 times. Square root, pair we form. We take 1 from each pair. Here, triplet will be formed. And from each triplet, so wait a second. Okay. From each pair, we'll be taking 1. So it will be 7. This is clear? Or we can write it like this. Okay. 343 equal to 7 into 7 into 7. Now, cube root of 343 equal to 7. From each triplet, we'll be taking 1. Is this clear? Okay, now we'll start the exercise. Okay, we have done first question, we have done. Second, we have done. Third, we have done. Fourth. Anyone have?
Sir,
we were in
third
fourth.
first tell. Sir,
Third
third first.
Okay, see here which of the following are cubes of even numbers and which are of odd numbers. Okay, just see here. 7 is odd or even? It's a odd number. Its cube is odd. You can see the unit digit. Unit digit is 9. 7 square, unit digit is 9. Now see in cube, if it is odd, odd number, we are getting odd number. So cube of a odd number is odd number. Okay, cube root of a odd number is odd number. Is this clear? So what you will do, you have to only check the unit digit. If it is odd, that means its cube will also be odd. Check the unit digit here. For example, which of the following cubes are even? 8000 is given. Now, which of the following are cubes of even number? Is it a cube of a even number or a odd number? So how we'll do? We'll just check the unit digit. It is 0. So we'll say it is of a even number. This is a cube of an even number. Okay. Now 9261. Is it a cube of a even number or odd number? So what we'll do is check the digit at unit place.
Odd number.
It will be a of odd number.
Odd number.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So third we have
fourth 9.
fourth, ninth. Wait for that. Yes.
Sir, fourth, eighth.
Sir, we can write directly. Or we have to follow it.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay. In this question, yes, you can write direct. You don't have to tell that it is a cube of 21. No need of telling that. Okay, just we have to check the unit digit. Okay. If you want to verify, then you can see. Factorize it, you will come to know that it is a cube of 21. But there is no need. There is because we have to check only the unit digit. We have to check only the unit digit. If unit digit is odd, that means it is a cube of odd number. It is a cube of odd number. Is this clear? Third question, anyone have doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, now fourth question. So fourth question we have little bit completed or not?
We have completed till question number 6.
Question number 6 we have completed. Okay, now start from 7th. Start from 7th. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute, 2 minutes I'm giving you. Do it. So what we will do, we have to find the cube root of minus 4096. So it is a cube root of minus 4096. So it will be cube root of minus of 4096. Minus we can take outside. And now find the cube root of 4096. So factorize it. Factorize it 4096.
Sir, we have to do this in a notebook.
Yes, keep doing in notebook.
Sir, which chapter?
Yes, factorize it.
Sir.
Ravinder is fine.
Sir,
The minus
sir, sir,
Yes, I'm listening.
sir, in third
Welcome
question,
to
sir,
the
only
world
we
of
can
you
write.
and I.
Sir, in third
Bluetooth mode.
sir, in third
Yes.
question, we have to verify that it is odd or even. Also, directly we can write.
See here, it is written which of the following are cubes. So it is not asking for verifying. So no need of. Just tell whether it's a cube of odd number or an even number. Okay. So we are having 4096. 4096. It's negative number and its cube we have to find. Okay. Now we can write it as minus. You can take it outside. Cube root of minus is minus. Okay. So we write it like this. 4096. Now factorize it. Find the prime factors of 4096. Or
Sir,
factors
chapter
of
name.
yes.
Sir, chapter name.
Chapter name, it's cube and cube roots. And 61 page number. And 61. You have just joined the class. Please be on time. Okay. What time you are joining the class, what time you are leaving, everything is recorded here. And do pay attention in class. I'll soon start to ask you the things. Okay.
Sir, yesterday there was no live class.
No, yesterday it was holiday. Monday and Tuesday were holidays. So remaining work have you completed in mathematics? Do complete all the works because practice is most important. You must practice the problems. So 4096, first we have to factorize it. Factorize it by what?
Also we have to complete.
Yes.
First
Yes,
work also we have to complete.
You haven't completed yet. You must have completed.
Sir, I have completed.
It's good then.
Sir,
So
those
see
who
here
are not
now,
completed, they have to complete.
they have to complete it. Do complete. So 4096.
Sir, by
factorize it.
2.
Yes, by 2 we will start. So by 2, 2, 0.
0, 4, 8.
Now again by 2.
2,
1, 0, 2, 4.
2, 4.
Again 2, 5, 1, 2.
5,
See here
1,
this
2.
number. Okay, we'll see. 2,
By 2.
3,
5, 6.
2, 5, 6.
Sir, 2,
Again
5,
2,
6. 2.
1,
1 to 8.
128. Again with 2, 64.
64.
Again, yes,
32.
please mute yourself. Please mute yourself now. Again, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay, now see here. This is 1024, 512, 256, 128. Somewhere here we are using these numbers a lot in computers. Yes or no? 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB.
Yes, sir.
This is half GB. So these are mostly used because computer works on binary, 0 and on and off. So we are having in twos. So this number always, it's a very good number, 1024. We are getting only the factors of 2. So how many 2 are we getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. So what will be writing? 4096. Okay. We can write, we can put minus. Okay, minus here, then 3. How much they were? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 3, again 3, triplet, again triplet, again triplet. Okay, so we have got 4 triplets of 2. This is clear. Similarly, we will be forming triplet for each number like this. Now, if you have to calculate the cube root of minus 4096, it will be how much? Minus, and from each triplet we'll be taking
Minus
1 out.
16.
So 2 from this one, 2 from here, 2 from here, and 2 from here. Okay. So how much it is? 16 minus 16. Cube root of minus 4096 equal to this one. Now see here, minus 4096 equal to this one. Now as you put the cube root, we have to write 2 from each triplet we have to take. Okay, don't write it like this. I have seen few students doing like this. Okay, this is wrong. If you put it like this, then you have to put cube root this side as well. Is this clear? Because left hand side must be equal to right hand side. So always remember, if you are putting cube root here, you have to put the whole thing under the cube root. Is this clear? This question is clear. Now move to next question. Move to next question. Cube root of 27 upon 125. Do it. This time Harshit will be telling me. Harshit Indoria from 8 Daisy. You have to tell me, okay, how you are going to do. And the ninth question, Nishchal from 8th rows. He will be telling. Okay, so do it in 1 minute. It's very easy question. Cube root of 27 upon 125. Cube root of 27 upon 125. Okay. Do it in 1 minute. Harshit, are you there? Harshit 8 Daisy. Unmute and tell
Yes, sir.
me.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so you'll be telling me. Okay, how to do? Tell me.
Sir, first we have to find the prime factors of 27 and 125.
Okay, what are the prime factors of 20? So what will be writing next? 27 upon 125. It is equal to how much? 27. What are the prime factors? Or the factors?
3 into 3 into
times.
3.
Okay, good. And 125, find it.
5 into 5 into 5.
5 into 5 into 5. Okay. Now, cube root of 27 upon 125. It will be how much?
3 upon 5.
So see here, from this triplet we'll be taking 1 out. From this triplet in denominator we'll be taking 1 out. So this is the answer. This is clear? See here, you can do it this way or you can do it like this as well. Cube root of 27 divided by cube root of 125. Both are fine. Is it clear? So we can find the separately. We can find separately the cube root of 27. We can find separately the cube root of 125. Anyone have doubt here? Anyone? So whenever I ask you, anyone have doubt? If you are having doubt, okay, I should only hear yes. Okay. Those who are not having doubt, please stay quiet and do the work. If you are having doubt, say yes. Okay. Thank you, Harshit. Okay, next one, Nischal.
Okay, sir.
Bedroom.
Yes, Nischal. Is Nischal there or absent today? Absent, I think. Okay, Divya will be telling us. Divya Samota, tell us the answer. 9th one, cube root of 125 upon minus 64. It's cube root you have to tell.
Sir, can I tell?
I will be asking one by one. Okay.
Can I tell?
Okay. What's your name? Once. Okay. Your name is not once. Student's name is not appearing here. LIV.
Sir, you have written the 9th question wrong.
It is
Sir, the
minus.
minus symbol.
Okay. By the way, it doesn't matter.
It's same thing only.
We know it. It doesn't matter, but still, this is the question. Okay. See here, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 upon 3, 2 upon minus 3. These all are the same things, but mostly we prefer which one? This notation we mostly don't use. It's difficult. So either we go with this or this one. Is this clear? These all three represent the same quantity, same number, but we usually represent using these two, first and second. This is a bit difficult to represent. Okay. Okay, now solve it. Divya, lowest form here.
So solve.
Okay, Divya. So Nischal is absent today. NIS. Yes, Divya. How to solve this one? Okay, Tejas, you tell. Tejas, 8 rows.
Yes, sir.
How to solve this one?
Sir, first we will find the prime factors of minus 125 and 64.
Okay. So we can write like this, 125 upon 64. Minus we can put outside. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Minus, so cube root of minus is minus. Okay. So factors of 125, what will be 3?
Minus 5 into 5 into 5.
Or we can write minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. That is also fine. Okay.
Okay.
We can write minus 5 into minus 5. That is also fine. Or we can keep minus outside because cube root of minus a negative number is always a negative number. We can keep the 64.
Sir, 4 into 4 into 4.
4 into 4 into 4. Or see here, 4 into 4 into 4 is also fine. Or you can write 2 into 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now form the triplet. It is there. So cube root of minus 125 upon 64. It will be how much?
Minus
5 upon 4. Yes. Okay. So you can form the triplet like this, or you can form the triplets like this.
Sir, minus 5 upon.
Minus 5 upon. Good. Okay, you can form the triplet like this as well. 4 into 4 into 4. Either this way or this way. Either the prime factors or just the factors. Is this clear to all? So minus 5.4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see here. Third, 10th. 10th, do it. I'll be asking one student how to solve 10th one. This time, Shreya will be telling. Okay, 8 Genia Shreya. Cube root of 0.001. Yes, Shreya, tell me how to solve this one. 0.001.
Yes, the first we will simplify it. Yes, the first we will simplify it. Then we will write 1 by 1000.
Okay, so what are that? Okay,
1 by
cube root
1000.
of
1 by
1 by
1000.
1000. Okay.
Cube root of 1 and the cube root of 1000. Cube root of 1 is 1 and cube root of 1000 is 10. So 1 by 10 and 0.1, 0.1 is the answer.
Okay, good. So see 1 by 1000, it can be written as 1 into 1 into 1. There is no need of writing that one. Now see here, we can write 10 into 10 into 10. Now cube root 1 upon 1000. 1 upon 1 from each triplet will be taken, 1 upon 10. It is how much? 0.1. Okay. Or you can write it upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Either the factors or the prime factors. Now from each triplet we take 1. Again we are getting the same thing. Is this clear? Now do you see one thing? Here how many digits after decimal? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So only one will be coming. After decimal, how many digits? 1. If it is 3, how much it should be? 1. Now tell me the cube root of this one. 0.123455. What will be the cube root of without doing it? Can you tell? Anyone in class can tell?
0.0.
Yes, sir.
0 point.
0.
Again tell. 0, 1. See here, how many zeros? How many digits after decimal? How many digits after decimal? 6. So here will be 2. 6, then 2. If it is 9, then how many?
3.
3 digits. 3, 6, 7, 8, 4. So 0.001. Okay. Cube root of 1000. How much?
10.
0.1.
10.
10.
10.
It is 1000 here. 0.01. No. Okay. And cube root of 10 lakh. 6 zeros are there. 3. How much it will be?
100.
100.
100.
You can see 6 zeros, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 1 zero. So number of digits we are dividing by 3. Is this clear? Understood this one? Okay. Now see here.
Sir,
Okay. Yes.
sir, what name coming on your screen when I am speaking?
Daisy Simon. Daisy Simone. Simone it is.
Yes.
Okay. Do the next
Sir,
one.
am I showing unknown user?
Yes, you are showing unknown user. Who's this one? What's your name?
Sir, 8 Daisy Travel Dhaka.
Daisy Consult. Okay. It is coming live.cid. Daisy.
Sir, every teachers are saying that this is coming. Sir, I have written my name.
It's fine. Every day, whenever it comes, I will take it as Pranjal. Okay. Or you can do one thing. In each period, just speak once to the teacher that it's me. Okay. It's Pranjal. Okay.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, am I shown as unknown user?
Krishna Kumar, no, you are not shown as unknown user.
Sir, I am not Krishna Kumar.
Okay, Nishant Jangir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, next one. Next one, see here, do as homework, you can do cube root of 0.0125. Okay. 12th one, can you do?
Yes,
Okay, we do. Which one we do now? Okay, 15th we do.
Sir, I am having network problem.
Who's this one? I wasn't able to hear the voice clearly.
Sir, you can tell 12th.
Okay, 12th. Okay, see here, do the 12th one. Everyone do the 12th one. Okay, 11th you do as homework. 12th we are doing. 12th, it is 27 upon 64 into 125. Into 125. Okay, do it. Cube root of this one. So see here, all the three are perfect cube. Okay, now factorize them. So factorize 27 upon.
Sir, solved.
64. Good, you have solved. So 27 it is 3 into 3 into 3. 64 it is 4 into 4 into 4. And 125 it is. This is clear. Now from each we'll be taking one. So cube root of 27 upon 64 into 125. Okay. So it will be 3 upon 4 into 5. 3 upon 20. This is clear. So there was no need to multiply
clear.
them, then finding the factor. Okay. There was no need of that. Okay. 13th you can do, 14th you can do, 15th. Okay, do 15th. Do 15th question. Okay, the question which you are leaving, you can do as homework. If you don't get it, we'll do in class tomorrow. Okay, do 15th
Completed.
question.
They're
One more
completed.
completed. It's very good. It's good. Okay, 15th you
Yes, sir,
do.
do.
Jatin Irginia. Yes, tell me how to do 15th. 16 into 500. 16 into 500. We have to find the cube root. So 16 into 500. How to find? Yes, Jatin, unmute yourself and tell me.
Sir, I am having a network problem.
Krishna Kumar, you are having network problem. Irginia Jatin. Jatin, are you there?
I can't hear your voice.
Okay, Jatin, tell me how to solve this one. Tell me first. So 16 into 15. First, we will factorize that. Okay. 16, it will be how much? 2 into 2, 2 into 2. Only 4 2 we are getting. That means we may get 2 from here. So 500 factorize it. 2, 250. 2, 125. 125 again we are getting 5 into 5 into 5. So 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5. Now cube root of 16 into 500. So how much it will be?
2 into 5.
Sir, 2 into 2 into 5.
2 into 2 into 5, 20.
20.
Is 20. Okay. Okay, next one you can do.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, in 15th question, I multiplied 60 and 500 there, and I got 8,000 there, and I did it 20.
Okay, that's also fine. But there was no need to multiply. because at last we have to factorize them. Okay. If you know straightforward that 8,000, its cube root is 2. That is, or 8,000 it is there. So cube root of, so 8 cube root is 2 and 3 zeros, 1 0 will be taken. That is also fine. Okay, but there was no need to multiply. You can, at last you have to factorize them with factorization as well. Okay. Okay, next one, do next one. 16, that's okay. 16th you can do as homework. Do 17th one. Do 17th. Do 17th question. I think you have started remembering as well. Few like 3, 4, 3. It is a cube root of
7.
7. 3, 4, 3 divided by 2, 5. See here, in few questions you can play smartly as well. See here, either you can simply factorize the numerator, factorize the denominator, then forming the triplets and solve. Okay, or you can do one more way. How many zeros we have? 4 zeros. And 25 fours are 100. 2 more zeros you will get. So 6 zeros we are getting here. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here we can do it like this as well. 25 00 into 400. Either we factorize separately and from triplets we'll take 1. That is also fine. Or we can write 343 divided by 4 zeros we already have. 25 fours are 100. 2 zeros more we got. So 6 zeros are there. Okay. Now 3/4 it can be written as 7 into 7
7 into 7 into 7.
Cube root of 343 upon 2500 into 400. It is 7 upon 6 zeros. So how many zeros will come there? 100.
100.
Yes or no? So it can be written 100 into 100. Okay. The 10 lakh can be written as 100 into 100 into 100. This way also we can do, because either the prime factors or the factors. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do the next one. So first we have to solve within the cube root. Whatever being written, you have to solve first one. So first we'll be subtracting. So first subtract. So it is cube root of 1 minus 854. 854. 729. Okay. So first we have to subtract. Cube root of 729 denominator, 729 minus 854. So how much it is coming?
125 by 729.
Okay, so minus sign will be there. Minus 125 upon 729. Minus we can take out, so it will be minus 125 upon 729. It is how much? Minus we can take outside, or we can write minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. Okay, or we can keep minus outside. Cube root of a negative number is always a negative number, so we can put minus sign outside. 5 into 5 into 5. And either you can write in terms of 3 or in terms of 9 as well we can write. So it's a cube of
9 into 9 into 9.
9. Either write 3 times the 9 or 6 times the 3. Okay. Now take 1 each out. So it is 1. Okay. Cube root of minus 125 upon 729 equal to 559 and minus 9.
Minus.
Is this clear? Here you can write this number or you can write this one here as well. Okay, it is fine. This question is fine. Do the next one. Next one is very interesting question. Next one is very interesting question. So from inside to outside, from inside to outside we will move.
Sir, can we
It's
leave?
very, yes. If you have completed this question, will be completing only next, and you can leave. Okay. Those who have
Thank you,
completed, they
sir.
can leave. Okay. Next question. Do the next question. Cube root of 4 plus.
And
Again,
you,
cube
sir.
root of 61 plus again cube root of
Sir, can we leave?
27. Yes, you can live. Do this one.
Sir, done.
Yes, please be quiet.
And can we leave?
Yes, you can live. Do this question. You can live. Okay, scientifically.
Thank you, sir.
So how we do? First, find the cube root of this. It will be 3. Then 61 plus 3, 64. Find the cube root of 64. So 4. 4 plus 4. Find the cube root of a small number we are getting. 2. So try to do this one. Okay. So try to complete the 4th question. Okay. If you have any doubt, we'll discuss tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you. And
Thank you,
please
sir.
do study after. Okay. After the class, revise these all once. Okay. Do study after. Each day study a little. And you'll be very good. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
sir.